And now, for the main event, Razer Phone versus Note 8. Who will win? 3, 2, 1. What's up, and welcome to match number 2 of the slap battle, the slappiest slaptasticness of all time. We have the Note 8, which claimed the throne against the iPhone X. It's going to be facing off against the Razer Phone today.
Yeah, I'm rooting for the Note 8.
The big difference with today's slap battle is that we have the Slapomatic, the Slapatron, the Slaporific Slaptification Slapoclypse. Check this out. We've got hinges along the bottom here. We're gonna build up all kinds of tension, then they're gonna slap together in glorious slap battleness. Which phone do you think will survive? Place your bets in the top right corner. Let's hot glue these bad boys and find out what happens. It's gonna be freaking epic. Let's get started. Big shout out to Vainglory for making this episode possible. Vainglory is a free multiplayer online battle arena game with hardcore PvP gameplay for iPhone and Android OS. It's a game that requires skill over luck and has some of the most gorgeous graphics of any mobile game. I got absolutely addicted to it and have played hundreds of matches. They have lots of modes to choose from depending on how much time you have to play. I highly recommend checking it out if you're a fan of action strategy games. There's a link to download it in the description down below. Now on with the slap battle. In this corner, we have the Razer Phone with its exquisite unboxing. Yeah, but look at like it even has a letter to you with like this fancy laminated plastic. You know what we're doing here. Oh yeah. Okay, that was weird. All right, here goes the Razer Phone. And the Razer Phone is mounted. Let me see how easy it is to pop this off. Oh, are you recording? Apparently that Razer logo sticks better than the rest of the phone does. Pour some glue all over the back of this guy. We are in. And now, for the main event, Razer Phone versus Note 8. Who will win? 3, 2, 1. All right, here we go. Slow motion at 10,000 frames per second, and they're coming together nicely. And smash! Whoa! I think I might see some glass fragments going on there.
At minimum, there's some wood that's flying out.
Yes. No, I see a line of glass.
No, that might just be.
Oh, that might be the hot glue.
That's the hot glue.
I was like, what kind of glass shatters in a line that waves like a spider? It looks like the Razer Phone's okay. Let's see if the Note 8 is all right as well. So here's the Razer Phone. Taking a closer look.
How'd it do?
Looks like it's in pretty good shape. Not seeing any cracked glass. Let's go ahead and take a look at the Note 8. So pulling the Note 8 up.
Oh, I thought that was a crack for a second, but that's just glue.
Yeah, we got some glue. Yeah, looks like it's okay. Wow, both fighters going in strong on the first bout, and we're on to round 2. Here we go, round number 2. Ding, 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 ding. Jeez, that was so loud. Let's take a look at these. Uh-oh, the Razer Phone's off. Oh no, oh no. The Razer Phone may have had a KO punch. Just like the iPhone, it no longer is turning on. No! Here comes the phones.
Oh man.
Round 2.
Perfect collision. Look at that.
Man. Oh, and they fall together. Lovers entangled.
Yeah, it's a tragedy though.
It's a tragedy.
One had to die.
One had to die. One will be left a champion. One defeated and destroyed.
Look who won.
Damn it!
Look who won.
The reigning champ, the Note 8, defeats the Razer Phone, and I'm impressed because it's the same Note 8 too. This isn't like a new Note 8. I'm guessing what happened is the backlight in the Razer Phone, just like the iPhone, came undone, or potentially maybe the connection to the battery on the inside came undone. It's hard to say necessarily what happened without taking it apart.
In any case, this is functioning, that is not.
So the Note 8 is the champion once again. Who should the Note 8 face coming up? Post your opinion down below. What'd you guys think of the Slapatron, Slapomatic,
Slap-a-doohickey?
I would not want to get my face caught in between those things coming together. They are coming together with all kinds of force. If you want to check out the previous slap battle where the Note 8 defeated the iPhone X, link in the description. That's it for this episode. We'll see you next time. Brandon, out.
Peace.
I need a woo.
A woo. Woo.